Hey there, welcome to our fifth and final part of our 5-part series on using ChatGPT for students. Again, I am Emily with the AI Teaching Network by T. Potter Instructional Design. In this final video, we are going to talk about using ChatGPT for time management. So using ChatGPT for time management could look something like this. You can ask ChatGPT to act as a spreadsheet to create a weekly schedule. Let it know what days that you have classes, what days that you work, what times. Even throw in things like, I like to work out at the gym once or twice a week, or I need to block off 10 to 20 hours for study time. And just a tip, you can ask it to regenerate your response if you're not quite happy with what it gives you and see what it does the next time. So here you can see I am letting ChatGPT know my pretend schedule. First, it made a list and I didn't quite like that, so I asked it to regenerate, and here it created this. I liked this a lot better, but I'd really like for it to be in a table, so I said please place the schedule into a table format, and here it goes. And you can copy and paste that into Microsoft Word or wherever you'd like, tweak it, print it out, save it on your phone, or whatever you'd like to do, whatever works for you. And now let's talk about using ChatGPT to enhance your productivity. ChatGPT can provide guidance with popular productivity techniques such as the Pomodoro Technique, or setting SMART goals, which stands for specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. For example, you can ask ChatGPT, please help me set SMART goals to improve my GPA from a 3.0 to a 4.0 in the fall college semester. Another way to use ChatGPT for time management is ask it to create to-do lists, study schedules, or daily and weekly routines. For example, you can say, please create a study schedule. I have a humanities test in 3 weeks, an English paper due on the 19th, and a science paper due on the 20th. And ChatGPT can help you organize and set times for when you should be working to reach those goals. And that is all for our fifth and final video on using ChatGPT as a student. If you have found this series helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel and check us out at tpotterdesign.com for more.